Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And in this one, I'm going to Franschhoek to see the celebration of 70 years of Volkswagen. It should be a good event. But before that, I'm heading to the workshop now because I've got a headlight that's out and I would like to add an extra bump stop. So I got these night breakers in H7 in the Mark IV. Bay is a bit dirty, needs a bit of cleaning, but I'm going to see if they can try and help me adjust my lights. So my lights are facing to the moon. Need to try and get them facing down. I don't know. It's been an issue for a long time. Hopefully we can get it sorted today. So we are meeting up with the bad guys. I think they are leaving now. I just made it. Yeah, that's amazing. Yeah, we just made it. So I've got my wife with me today. Very rarely does she come with to these things, but I thought it would be nice to go to the museum and then to Franschhoek. I know that these videos usually are not super entertaining, like museum things, but hopefully we'll see some nice old VWs over there. Oh, that looks really good driving. So we just pulled up on the side of the road to get everyone in the convoy together. Actually quite a good group of guys that came out. Really difficult trying to keep a convoy together, but I think we are all lined up now. Nice slow cruise through. So this session is the 10 a.m. and it's fully booked, which is amazing. So I'm expecting the parking lot to be packed, hopefully with lots of VWs. Timing is amazing. Just gonna get the cars rolling in. I was gonna say that this is probably the oldest car in the convoy, but then there's the Beetle I see there. So they're currently doing the bookings and the screening, thanks COVID, so it takes a while, but this Beetle is quite cool, and the wagon is clean. So I am so amped that they let us park like in the property, like around the museum. Like, this just makes it so much cooler. I thought we would all just be parked out at the back, like behind the entrance, but very, very cool. So we're gonna do a quick walk around to see the cars outside. So this is all like owners' cars. This is not museum cars, but it's flip. This is Dove Blue. This is epic. This is gold right here for like a VW enthusiast. This one's got a lot of character.
Maybe this
Oh, this is stunning. I've seen a lot that's been converted to convertible, but yeah, this is epic. This gear looks great. It's a pity they went to this color. It's a bit too modern, but the car does look very nice. So they've got coffee and things. Got a police fox.
That's so cute.
It's a 58 with the roof racks and everything. This is the one. Yeah, this is the one you want. Don't think I've seen a VW bike. This looks like a bit of a Frankenstein. There's a Beetle engine in there. Really cool splitty. And this is Jason's bus from Rockstar Cars. He's doing a lot of things. Last week he was supposed to have a show at Time Mall, and it was converted to this. So instead of doing two, they just made it this one show, which is smart. So this is a bit of a weird one. It's a like two-tone early Mark 1. It's got no board, so I can check what year it is. Interesting. I don't know if this is factory. Probably not, but I would have liked. Look at that front spoiler as well. Interesting. Oh flip, it's also got like a model of it. That's cool. It's got the brown interior, it's got like the matte on the dash. That's really cool. Stunning color. This Beetle looks so nice. So this is the guy that I bought the interlagos from. You can see like turbine wheels. This color in the Mark III is very cool. Bit sunburnt, but really nice. Not something you see often. That looks nice on the Sealies. Just needs to get some caps for them. nice that he got his 70 years stick on it. I would have one of those in that color slammed really, really hard. This color is just amazing. Ah, split window. And that's an oval head. Some more guys pulling through. Is it open? These seats. That is a very interesting driver seat. So he said he put the rear seats in it because it's too loud. But yeah. So I'm doing a bit of a parade lap. So many people doing parade laps. I didn't come look at his car. But yeah, it's been a good event. I think what made it good is like seeing these cars parked out here. So we are rolling out. It's been a good day. It was nice to see some old VWs and things. I'm going to insert some pictures that I took now. I didn't take that many, but I'll drop them now. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.